Imagine a world where managing your finances is as easy as asking your phone a question. A world where artificial intelligence not only tracks your expenses, but also helps you invest smarter, save more, and achieve your financial goals faster. Welcome to the era of generative AI in personal finance. Generative AI is here to revolutionize how we think about and manage money. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming personal finance and empowering you to take control of your financial future. First up, let's talk about personalized insights. Generative AI can analyze your spending habits in real time, identifying areas where you're overspending and offering actionable advice. For example, it might suggest switching to a lower-cost subscription service or flagging unnecessary purchases, ensuring you're getting the most out of your hard-earned money. Generative AI goes beyond tracking expenses. It can craft custom financial plans tailored to your unique goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or planning for retirement. By understanding your habits and objectives, AI becomes your personal financial coach. Next, let's dive into investments. Generative AI can process vast amounts of market data in seconds, uncovering opportunities that you might never notice. For instance, AI can help identify undervalued stocks, predict market trends, and even suggest optimal times to buy or sell. Generative AI also helps you build a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. By balancing investments across sectors and asset types, it reduces risk while maximizing returns. The best part? AI-powered platforms simplify the process, making investing accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. Let's talk about automation. Generative AI can handle those time-consuming financial chores, like paying bills, tracking budgets, and even rebalancing your investment portfolio. Need help with taxes? AI tools can organize your financial data, calculate deductions, and ensure you're filing accurately and on time. And for those pressing financial questions, AI-powered chatbots provide instant support, available 24/7. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. By automating these tasks, you free up time to focus on what matters most, whether it's pursuing a hobby or spending quality time with loved ones. So what does the future hold for generative AI in personal finance? The possibilities are limitless. As technology evolves, we can expect even more advanced tools that adapt to your unique needs and empower you to make smarter financial decisions. From real-time financial planning to intuitive investment strategies, AI will play a pivotal role in helping us achieve our goals. What's your vision for the future of personal finance? How do you see generative AI shaping the way we manage money? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's navigate the future of finance together.